Please be mindful.
Watch this video to find out what will happen with airfare prices. Welcome back to Veritalogic. And for those of you who are new here, I'm Sam, your host for YouTube Talks. I'm currently pursuing a PhD in economics. And yes, I've survived not one, but 2 business schools. Love economics and business? Then you're in the right spot. So let's get ready to be informed. Oh, and today's video was inspired by 3 articles from the Wall Street Journal, MarketWatch, and CNN. In the eye of the storm, a giant struggles. Boeing, the titan of aerospace, faces its fiercest battle yet. 17,000 jobs on the line. The machinist strike, a relentless force, costing the company $1 billion per month. New CEO Kelly Ortberg has been leading the charge for just a few months, now steering through treacherous waters. The delay of the revolutionary 777X to 2026 and the discontinuation of the iconic 767 cargo plane by 2027. A colossal $6 billion loss this quarter, with over $8.5 billion burned this year. Revenues tumbling, credit agencies circling, and the threat of junk status looming overhead. Ratings agencies like S&P Global, Moody's, and Fitch all have Boeing's bonds teetering on the edge. A downgrade would slam the door on borrowing as investor confidence plummets. Shares down 42% this year, a stark contrast to the S&P 500's rise, a symbol of broader economic tremor that could ripple through industries and economies alike. Beyond the numbers, the ripple effect begins. Job losses impact communities from Washington state to suppliers across the U.S. Families brace as spending tightens. Airlines face delays, pushing ticket prices higher for travelers. Production halts impact suppliers, risking further job losses. Boeing's downgrade to junk status could restrict borrowing, which will hinder their turnaround. The stakes grow higher as these challenges threaten not only Boeing, but ripple through the entire economy, impacting industries and affecting countless lives. Hey there! I noticed that 97% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. If you wouldn't mind to like and subscribe, and please let me know what you think about my content. I would sure appreciate it. So just to recap, Boeing's struggle isn't just theirs. It's a storm with far-reaching impacts. Investors are holding their breath, waiting anxiously, all the while the economy is feeling the tremor. Will this giant rise from the turmoil? Remember, in times of turbulence, resilience shines the brightest. As challenges arise, the determination to overcome them will pave the way for a brighter, more stable future. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget, information is power. See you in the next video.